Are you tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks? What if I told you that AI could give you 5 hours back every single week? Welcome to Powered by AI channel, where we explore the world of AI. Today we will review a couple AI tools and tips to save time, boost productivity, and make life easier. Today I'll show you exactly how to save those precious 5 hours, or even more, using two powerful AI tools that work seamlessly together. Stick around for the tips and tricks that could change how you work forever. Let's talk about emails. We all have them. And let's be honest, we all spend way too much time crafting the perfect response. But what if AI could do that for you? Enter copy.ai, your personal AI writing assistant. Here's the magic. Copy.ai uses natural language processing to craft professional, tailored emails in seconds. Want to reply to a tricky client email or draft a pitch? Simply input a few key details, and it'll create polished text that's ready to go. It's like having a copywriter on call 24/7. Not only can copy.ai save you an hour or more each week on emails, but it can also help you tackle other tasks like writing blog posts, social media captions, or even brainstorming ideas for presentations. Did you know? Copy.ai was one of the first AI tools designed specifically to mimic human tone and creativity in writing. Imagine having a tool that handles your writing so you can focus on what really matters. Now let's take things a step further. What if I told you that you could pair copy.ai with Zapier to completely automate those repetitive, time-consuming tasks? That's right. Zapier is like having your own personal assistant, connecting all your favorite apps and making them work together effortlessly. For example, imagine you receive a client email with an attachment. Instead of manually downloading and saving it to your Google Drive, Zapier can do it for you automatically. You just set up a zap, which is Zapier's term for an automation, and let it handle the rest. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're automating data entry, streamlining your project management, or simply organizing your email attachments, Zapier ensures that you're spending less time on manual work and more time being productive. Now here's where the magic happens. Pairing copy.ai with Zapier. Imagine using copy.ai to generate professional emails and then Zapier to automatically send those emails, store drafts, or even share them with your team, all without lifting a finger. By combining these tools, you can easily save 5 to 10 hours per week. And trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. Let me give you a real-world example. A freelance graphic designer I know uses copy.ai to create quick, professional client proposals. Then, Zapier automatically sends those proposals to the clients via Gmail and organizes the responses in a Trello board. With this setup, she saved over 10 hours in 1 month alone. As we begin a new year, this is a great time to analyze your workflow and make a conscious decision to spend less time doing those items that have become mundane and repetitive. If you need some help identifying solutions, or maybe you need a sounding board to process ideas, send us an email, poweredbi3@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Starting today, make a decision to make the best use of your time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on how to supercharge your productivity with AI tools. See you next time.